Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Tuesday, 23rd of April, and welcome, start of it, well, sort of into the new week, start of a new week, start of a new day, start of a new week. Whatever, how about that? Yes. Of course it's not Monday, of course. Now, I hope you had a great time on Easter. I hope you enjoyed your Easter weekend, and it's been and I hope you got a lot of eggs, chocolate eggs, bunnies or whatever. So, yeah, my weekend's okay. It's been a busy weekend because Saturday, of course, well, Friday was Good Friday. I didn't go anywhere or do anything. I just didn't do anything, really. And Saturday, of course, going to Holbrook, aeroplane flying. So that was a great day. It really was. I enjoyed that. That's the very first time I actually ever been to the Holbrook airport. So, and then Sunday, I was off to my sister's place. I'd taken my dad and my brother out for the afternoon, for the Easter afternoon. So it was a kind of a family gathering, get together. So it was a lovely afternoon. So, and Monday, which was yesterday, was our public holiday, which was Easter Monday. I didn't do anything at all. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't vlog. There's nothing. I don't know, I was just didn't have the energy to pick up the camera or go anywhere or do anything. I was so tired. So today I'm making up for from yesterday, really. And now what's going to happen this week? Now I won't be, actually I'm going to have a break this week, and I won't be doing my next upload until Saturday, possibly be late Saturday. Now the Pick of Town, I was supposed to do the Pick of Town, which I didn't do yesterday. I didn't go anywhere. I just didn't feel like going anywhere. So I could do that on Saturday coming, Pick of Town, and on Sunday. Now what am I doing Sunday? It's the motor show in Wangaratta. Yes, they've got a big event, quite a big event at the Wangaratta Motor Show. It'll be old cars, vintage cars, aeroplanes, anything to deal with motors. That's happening at the aerodrome in Wangaratta on Sunday. So that should be a good day. I'm really going to look forward to go and see that. And so, yeah. Now, the milkshakes and the smoothies, I'm going to sort of give that a break for a few weeks. So have a bit of a break from it for a while, and so I hope you can make your milkshake instead. Yes. So I'm having a break this week, and just give it a bit of a break this week. So many things happening. Yeah. Oh, very cloudy today. The sun comes out. It's nice when the sun comes out. Anyway, I've got to go into town and do my errands, do a little bit of shopping, and we've had some rain. We had last Sunday, Sunday night. What was that, Saturday night? So we had a little bit of rain yesterday morning, and yeah, so not a great lot, but it's good to see some rain because we need it. So anyway, I've got to go into town and do some errands. Now, what did I buy? I went to Kmart today, bought a few things, not a great lot of things, and yeah, so I'm pretty happy, and I got a box. Yeah, a box. What's inside the box, though? Well, let's have a look. Get this camera here. Oh. Nothing in the box. Oh, there's a couple of things. 2 things. Oh, razor blades. Shaving for shaving. Men's of shaving blades. Yeah. I got it look nice. Yeah. And a lock. It's a lock for a bike, for my bike. Now, the reason why I bought it, now I thought I had a lock, But yes, I do have a lock on my bike, because when I go somewhere on my bike and I want to park my bike somewhere and walk away from it, I need to lock my bike so nobody won't steal it. So the lock I've got on my bike, now I have actually lost the keys. I've lost the keys. So what do? Hack it. So I bought another lock from Kmart, and these have got keys on it. Now I've always often wondered, now this might be a bit stylish, this one, a bit of a different style, but I couldn't get the same ones that I've got. It may be in another store, I don't know. So I'm going to see if this key will unlock my other chain on the bike. We'll see. We'll check it out, eh? And the box, I've got to store something in it. I don't know what. I can't remember. I've got to get more of these, because there's a lot of things I'm going to store in there. And now I'm just going to see if this lock, because I've lost the key of this lock. So this new one from the other, I'll just see if it'll unlock, but I doubt it will not. Nope. Nope, my friend. I'll have to find a way of doing it somehow. But this one, yes, it will unlock. Yep, there you go. This is the new one. So that's locked now. That one. Okay. This was my brother's Caravan. The old Caravan, my brother's Caravan. And so this Caravan, it's a four-wheeler Caravan, 2 wheels on one side and 2 on the other. It's got air conditioning, and the tyres will have to be pumped up. These ones, they'll be alright. It's only got a lot of grass growing around. I'm going to have to remove all that. A lot of grass around there. That will be removed. And yeah. And I've got to get new keys for it. It'll be a nice Caravan. It's done up. Got carpet. This is all junk, but that's all. I'm going to get rid of all those eventually. A lot of all that needs to go. Got a nice TV that goes with the Caravan. Now, of course, this Caravan got a bedroom there. Air conditioning, nice curtains, nice seating. Don't worry about all the junk. That's going to go. Now this Caravan, of course, I've done my milkshakes, where I've done my milkshakes, remember? Yeah. Now this Caravan is up for sale. Yeah, up for sale. Yeah. Want to buy a Caravan? Well, the price of this Caravan, well, it does need a bit of doing. It needs a bit of attention, really. So if you're good at restoration work on the Caravan, this Caravan will be ideal for you. Yeah. So we're looking at about $2 grand. $2 $2,000, that all. $2,000 for this Caravan. So if you want it, give me $2,000 and it's yours. Ready to tow away. So in a few weeks' time, this will be out the front, hopefully. And yeah. So it's been a good Caravan. It's been, my brother actually bought it because it's mainly for when Peter was here, but now he's in a retirement village. So this Caravan is no use now. I'll tell you, it's a storing junk, my stuff. Yeah, that's where the record player is. Yeah, that's good. I've got no room for it, but I will make room because the record player, I'm going to put that near my computer eventually. I can find a little bit of room, and because I've got no other room to put it. So remember the old Caravan that we used to have, Peter used to have, that we used to have an old Caravan that they got demolished, taken away, and got demolished. So yeah, so there's no use for this Caravan now. It's only me at home, so it just needs a bit of doing. The electrical wires needs attention. Probably needs new wiring or something like that. But look at all the interior. That's all carpet on the walls. And they've got a nice stove and a fridge that works. A microwave oven. Yeah, air conditioner. Now that works really good. The clock. It doesn't work, that clock, unfortunately. Even I put a battery in there, it still didn't work. So I think the mechanical side of things just doesn't want to work. But anyway, it's a good Caravan. I've got to get a new key for the doors. Yes, because I've lost the door keys, really. The second keys I've lost. Well, the first keys are broke because the door actually broke off. And I had to repair it. I had to repair the hinges on it. So yeah, it's got an antenna for a TV. Yeah. Okay, so now the keys for my bike lock. I got two keys actually. So what I should put one on my keyring. My car key ring. I've got to be careful because I've already lost it, my other one, from that. So then I'll keep the other one as a spare, put it in my room. So if I lose one, well, at least I've still got the other one. But that's what happened with the set of two keys. My last ones I lost because I had it all on the key ring, and apparently it all fell off. So where I lost it, I don't know. It's a purple one actually. It's got a purple. This one's blue, dark blue actually. So I got a little question for you people, overseas people, Americans, British. I know you Australians will know this one, but I know. Now it's all about a boomerang. Now you know what a boomerang is. A boomerang, throw it, and it'll come back to you if you're good enough. So what type of boomerang that doesn't come back? That doesn't come back. My boomerang won't come back. My boomerang won't come back. Let me know in a comment what sort of a boomerang that doesn't come back. You name it. I'm not going to tell you. I'll tell you, I'll reveal it in my next vlog, which will be Saturday. Yeah. Now it's good to see some rain. We had a thunderstorm last Sunday night, and it was a terrific thunderstorm. We had a lot of good rain. We copped about 20 millimetres of rain on Sunday night, so that was a good drop. Then we had a little bit on Monday morning. We had about 14 millimetres of rain. So that was a good job. That was overnight, sort of thing, you know. So we need the rain pretty badly. It's been very, very dry out there, and yeah. And I think there's going to be more rain eventually. They're saying we're going to get a lot of rain in the middle of May, so that's good news for the farmers. As I said earlier, if we don't get any rain within the next few months, we're going to be in drought. So I think that drought might be broken if we get the rain. Yeah. So been doing a lot of rearranging in my room, in my lounge room actually. So I've got the two couches side by side at the moment. Yeah. And but over here I've got the trusty record player. That's my little record player. Plays records. So I've got to try and connect that to my computer the same way as I do with my cassette deck. That's the Digitech audio, which plugs into the USB, and that does the same thing with my little portable cassette deck, which I can convert to USB. It does the same thing. And the record player that we can play records, you can do the same. Yeah. Yeah, so all that's changed. I've got my camera in there and the books. Now, before I finish this vlog, those who live around Town Market, that's on every second Saturday of every month. I go there and buy some bargains. Now I've been buying, there's a vendor there that sells DVD movies, and very cheap too, very cheap and good movies. So he sells them, I think, yeah, he sells them 3 for $10. 3 DVD movies for $10. So I went and bought six DVDs. That costed me $20. Now you wouldn't pay that in the big stores, Kmart stores and Target and all that. So I checked the discs out before I buy them. You know, they look good. Yeah, no scratches. Yeah, very good. But the guy there told me, look, if you have any problems with the discs, bring them back next time. So I've never had any problem with the discs. So it's good advice to buy things cheap. Go to your outdoor market, whether it's a flea market or a community market, a craft market. You buy cheap things, homemade, and yeah. So I really give you a 10 out of 10, Town Market. It's one of the biggest markets in the area. I'm not too sure whether it's biggest in Australia or biggest in the state, but it's bigger than, I think it's the biggest in the area anyway. So anyway, a bit of a short vlog today, and a bit of a chatty vlog too as well, nothing doing. So as I said earlier, I'm just going to have a break this week. I've called Anzac Day is on Thursday, so it's a public holiday for us, and it won't be much doing. So I'll be vlogging. If I vlog anything interesting I vlog during this week and the weekend, I'll put it up on Saturday to vlog. So anyway, create harmony, peace, bye. Stay safe on the roads too as well. I want to see you all alive. You never know what I get up to next. Bye.